Hi. 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 I feel so ridiculous, but hi. Hey Siri, I'm not talking to you. Hello. What's happening? Hi. My name is Hamda, and I just might be the one who leads you astray. Okay, that's just crazy speak. Let's do that again, shall we? Hi, my name is Hamda, and I don't believe clothes should be worn in one type of way. I feel like clothes are art, and clothes should be used to express your sense of style, who you are, your personality. And based on that, I don't think clothes have to be worn in the way they are intended, like styling a jacket as a skirt. Yeah, would you be trying this? Or wearing corsets and dungarees. Hello. Today we're going to put together this outfit, so let's do it. Let's do it together, okay? If you enjoy some chaos, you enjoy fashion, you love clothes, be sure to follow me at Doing Fashion with Hamda. Bye. How am I supposed to wear all of this? It's so heavy.